Last week I shared this trade live with you guys, and I hope you did take advantage of it. This particular pair, right? During the live session, price shot up and it left this gap here, right? That gap there. And I mentioned that they're gonna come back, not here, there. Let me go to the lower time frames and show you. Okay, here. When we were having the live session, they left that imbalance. So I said, watch that level. If it comes back, that's where you're gonna take your entry. You're gonna leave your stop loss here. You're gonna use that as your first target, and you're gonna use that as your second target. So hopefully you paid attention to that, because it did play to the first one, and I'm waiting for the second one. Now, I'm not taking any trade on that. I'm using the strength of the pound to take the cross pairs. Okay, so I'm not taking any trade on them. I'm just using the strength of the pound on the EG or the euro pound to take the trade on the pound pairs. Okay,